Take no action to manifest money like crazy. Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach. And in this video, I am going to share with you how you can manifest an avalanche of money into your experience without taking any action. Yes, you heard me right, without taking any action. Now, this video is actually part of a series, Manifest It Without Taking Action. I'm going to put a link in the description box below if you want to get up to speed with this series about how to manifest anything that you want without taking action. So let's get back to money. How can you begin to manifest an abundance of money into your life without taking action? Well, first, it's important to understand that money is just energy. Now, you might be wondering, what do I mean by money is just energy? I've actually been asked this question in the past. Money is just energy means that you are the source of money. More specifically, money is not contingent, or rather, better said, you receiving money is not contingent upon what is going on in the economy, upon getting a job. When you understand that money has nothing to do with these things, that money instead is a reflection of your vibration, then you really get it that you are the source of money. And this is why money is energy. The amount of money that flows into your experience is equal to what your vibration is saying about money. So what this means is that you are in complete control of how much money you receive into your reality. You are the source of money. Your vibration, your connection to your divinity, your connection to source is what dictates how much money comes into your experience. So to take this a step further, the number one asset in your life is your connection to source, is your connection to your divinity. It's not your skill set. It's not your job. It's not how much money you have in your bank account. It's your connection to source. When you master your connection to source, what do I mean by your connection to source? I'm talking about that feeling of connectedness, that feeling of fulfillment. When you feel good in the now, you have just accomplished connection to source, to connection to your higher self. And the more frequently you stay connected to your higher self, you have just become abundant. When your connection to your higher self matters more to you than your desire for money, you have just become abundant in that instance. You have become the vibration of abundance because it means you're no longer in lack. You're no longer in the energy of need. When you need more money, neediness or desperation is the energy of lack. It implies I don't have it. And then you must respond to this vibration of lack and send you evidence to demonstrate to you that you don't have money in your life. Now, conversely, when you feel accomplished in the present moment because you're prioritizing your connection to source, which means you're prioritizing feeling good and fulfilled in this moment, and that is more important to you than your desire for money, and you stay there consistently, it is impossible for money not to flow to you like crazy. You will open the floodgates. Money will come flowing to you through infinite ways. It will not just be through the known, through what your mind thinks, oh, I have to have a job to have money. No, money will start flowing to you from infinite ways. You could inherit money. You could be gifted money. You could win money. Like, you just have no idea how it will begin to flow into your experience, but it will begin to flow because you have become abundance. When you become abundance, you're no longer searching for it, looking for it. You're no longer feeling needy or desperate. You just are abundant. You have become abundant. You are abundance. You are the frequency of abundance. Therefore, everything in your reality must mirror back to you that you are the frequency of abundance. And this is how you manifest money without taking action. You don't need a job to manifest money. Of course, if it's your highest excitement to have a job because you love what you do, then absolutely. Like, I love my coaching business. Being in this industry, I absolutely love, I adore it. For me, it's not even work. I don't even call this work because it's me just being who I am. And I love doing this. But I want you to know that it's absolutely possible to manifest money into your life without taking action. So without going to look for a job, without needing to sell something like a service or a product, you could absolutely manifest money through infinite ways that will come to you through the unknown. You will have no idea how it will come to you, but it will come to you. And why is that? Because you are the source of money. You dictate the amount of money that you receive in your life. Your capacity to receive money by becoming abundant is completely contingent on you. It has nothing to do with external factors. It has nothing to do with what is going on outside of you. Money is just energy. Money is responding to your vibration. You are the source of money. When you prioritize your connection with your higher self, money will start flowing to you in infinite ways through the unknown. And this is how you manifest money without taking any action. Your human mind thinks that money can only come through specific avenues of, oh, I need to have a job. If I don't have a job, then how am I going to manifest? Then how am I going to get money? That's the way that your mind works. It's through the known. It's to do with the past. It cannot see beyond the past. The way that your mind thinks is through the lens of your past, through the known. Your higher self, however, knows infinite ways through which money can flow to you, and it's not going to be through the known. It's not going to be based on your past. It's going to be something new. It's going to be a new potential in the infinite field of possibilities, in the quantum field. Now, to take this a step further, to go deeper into this, you are already abundant. Creation is done, meaning the version of you that has manifested massive amount of wealth, that is done. Creation is already done. You're never actually creating something new technically. You're just changing your vibration to perceive what is already here. What do I mean by this? I mean everything already exists now in the quantum field, in the eternal now. So from the perspective of your higher self that has this bird's eye view of everything happening in the now, where time is not linear, everything is just happening in the eternal now, technically speaking, your higher self is experiencing every version of you that is abundant in infinite ways. It's having this experience now. And when you understand that you are the source of money and you change your frequency so that you become a vibrational match to money, all that is happening in this instance is that you are beginning to perceive what your higher self is already perceiving from the space of no time. You're beginning to perceive it just through the lens of linear time. So what is my message here? My message is that the version of you that already has money, that's already done. Creation is done. So you don't need to do anything to try and manifest more money. All you need to do is get out of your own way. Connect to source. There is a stream that is taking you to the abundance that you desire. It is taking you there naturally and effortlessly. And when you try, when you effort, when you struggle, you're working against the current. Instead, when you relax, when you prioritize your connection to source, because this is the most valuable asset that you have, your connection to your divinity. When you prioritize this, the stream will gently carry you and guide you to your abundance that already exists. Remember, you're not creating anything, it already exists. You're just getting in on what your higher self is already experiencing from a non-linear point of view. So to recap everything that you have learned here from this video, you are now aware of how you can manifest money without taking action. In order to really do this, it's about understanding, first and foremost, that you are the source of money, that your connection to your divinity is the source of money. When you understand this, you are truly somebody who is abundant. Because now you understand that abundance has nothing to do with the actual money itself, it's to do with your connection to source, which is something that you have control of. So no matter what is going on in your 3D reality, whether today you have money and tomorrow maybe you don't have enough, that wouldn't even matter to you when you understand that the source of money is you. And you're like, oh yeah, that's all right. Like I'm feeling a bit, it's a bit low today. My bank account's a bit low today. So I'm just going to manifest more through my connection to source. That's true abundance, where you're not even feeling lack, that the money in your bank account is like depleting. You're just like, oh yeah, I'll just manifest more. That's true abundance. And this is what I mean by you become abundance. You're no longer searching for abundance. You become abundance. You are the source of money. Your connection to source, to your higher self, is what dictates the amount of money that you are letting into your experience. When you prioritize that relationship between you and your higher self, when you prioritize feeling good and fulfilled now, and that matters to you more than the money itself, you're no longer in need. Now you've become abundance. And when you become abundance, money will flow to you through the unknown. You have no idea how it's going to happen, but money will start flowing into your experience from a myriad of avenues. This is how you manifest money without taking action. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.